Oh look, a present just for me and from GB1. What's inside? Socks. Well, that was disappointing. But what hasn't been disappointing is this really awesome surprise box from the Moyu Store! Hey everyone, and welcome to Groove Builders, the show where we create together. I'm your host, Disorderly Cone, and welcome to Groove Builders Christmas Build Week, where we build a really awesome build every single day from this box, which was given to us from the Moyu Store. And if you haven't checked them out yet, you definitely should. They have all kinds of unique builds on there and puzzles too. If you take a look around, you might find something unique enough to pick up yourself. And if you do, if you enter code GROOVE at checkout, you'll not only be supporting the channel, but you'll get yourself a nice discount. I think that's pretty awesome. All right, Groovers, what does Thursday have in store for us? That's a great question. Let's get down to the workbench and check it out. Whoa. And there we have it! Thursday's build all complete! The Dragonfly. Again, this model looks really neat with the whole aesthetic of it. I love the steampunk look, especially with these little back pieces right here, and that gear on top really does add a nice little touch. Overall, this build was a little trickier than the last couple of ones, and that's just because I feel like this little screw here at the back is just ever so slightly so small. Even now, I'm having to be very careful holding this model because the top here could fall off at any moment. Again, it looks great, it really does, and if this screw was just ever so slightly longer, I think there would be a way better fitting here, and I would feel a little bit more comfortable handing this to people to check out. But being the way that it is right now, this is definitely a model that you leave and then don't touch. Outside of that, yep, I'm still struggling with the legs, but I've gotten a lot better with it. This time, most of them went in a lot simpler. This back one here still needs a little bit of work, but outside of that, all the other ones look really awesome. Groovers, I had a really good time building this Dragonfly with you, and if you guys had a good time, don't forget to press that like button. For more videos like this, hit subscribe as well, as we got all kinds of really cool builds coming out in the future. Want to help the channel grow? Check out groovebuilders.ca. We have all kinds of really cool models on there at great prices with fast shipping to the United States and Canada. Want to build some bugs just like this? Check out the Moyu Store. They have all kinds of really neat hardware builds on there at great prices with fast shipping too. And if you use code GROOVE at checkout, not only are you going to be helping the channel out, but you'll also get yourself a pretty good discount, which I think is pretty neat. Until next time, keep building. Now, I don't want you fighting with any of the other ones.